Right now, I'm going to show you how to use liquid sandpaper to paint over a surface that's already been painted. So you see this cabinet door here. This is the original side and color. It had this paint on it, but I wanted to put some white cabinet and furniture paint on it, but I didn't want to sand everything down. Now that's one way to go. You can strip it. You can sand it down and you can remove that old coat of paint. But if you don't want to go through that hassle, there is another alternative. And that's what I've done on the front side here. So using clean strip liquid sandpaper, you just apply it to an old towel. You rub it onto the surface, apply it to the surface that you work in. You apply it in a circular motion. One of the nice things about this liquid sandpaper is that if you've got designs on the wood, a pattern, nooks, crannies, grooves, it can get in there and remove that old sheen. And what it does is it slightly strips it and it preps it for a new material, a new coating of paint. So I went ahead and did that. I applied 2 coats of this. This is Magnolia Homes. It is cabinet and furniture paint. And it is great. It is got a really nice finish to it. It's holding up very well, so I'm very impressed with the actual finish. So I really do like how this is holding up. And then as far as how to apply it, you just put it on there, you let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. It really depends on how much you apply in the surface you're working. But it's gonna dry up, it's gonna leave a hazy finish, or sometimes it'll be a little bit tacky. And then it's ready for your new coat of paint. You put it on, and this is dried here for about 12 hours, and it's really holding up nicely. I would let it cure for another 12 hours, so you want to complete 24 hours for it to be totally cured. But this is a really nice alternative from getting that really in-depth, messy situation where you're stripping, getting all that old paint off before applying a new coat. So this is an alternative if you're not looking to strip and completely sand off that old coating of paint. This is something that you can do. If you want to see more about painting, maybe laminate or how to use a sprayer, I've got tons of videos. You should check those out next. Again, my name is Drew. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.